If you're one of the increased number of people renting property, you'll understand the challenges of making that space feel like you want it to without risking your deposit payment when it comes to the end of your lease. If we haven't met before, my name's Trevor and I established TJ Painting and Decorating way back in 1993. Working with my son Ryan, we are proud multi-award winning decorators covering Hampshire, Surrey and Berkshire. Now, if you've got a decorating problem, don't sit there confused and frustrated. Get in touch and we'll do the best we can to help you sort it out. Now, thanks to Benjamin Moore, they've just launched a really exciting initiative that can make your house feel more like a home for the time you're spending living there. Let's have a look at how you can transform your rental space with some colour and get free paint in the process. Renting often comes with strict rules about how much you can change your living space. Many landlords require you to keep the walls a neutral colour, which can make it hard to feel like your own home. But what if you could add a splash of colour and easily revert it back when you come to leave? That's exactly what Benjamin Moore's new initiative is all about. Starting this August, Benjamin Moore is offering up to 10,000 renters across the USA, Canada and the UK the chance to get some free paint. This is how it works. Buy a gallon of Benjamin Moore's Regal Select interior paint in any colour you choose, and then from the 15th of August 2025 to September the 15th 2025, you can use your receipt to redeem a free gallon of Regal Select interior ready mix white, meaning you can put back any room you paint back to the way it was before you arrived. Comment below what room you'd like decorated and in what colour. It'll be interesting to know exactly what you'd do. Now, if you're struggling to decide on colour, please get in touch because we've got loads of Benjamin Moore colour cards. We can come up with a few schemes for you if you're struggling. All this leads to you being able to transform your space with confidence, knowing that you can revert it back to how it was before you arrived, and also without any problems. You can use your receipt to ensure you get some free white paint to ensure that your deposit will be safe and sound. Now you know where to get the paint, the next thing you might need to know is how much paint you're going to need, which is where this video will come in handy.